What are we toasting to? Anything you like. Who says we need a reason? To the stray dogs. To the stray dogs. To the stray dogs.
Just need time. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're feeling my
I have no regrets in meeting you, friend. Should the day ever come that we are not together, you will continue to shine like gold in my memories.
You look so nice in your shirt. It's sad because it just hurts.
Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture and save it from the funny tricks that you do to my finger.
Help me make love my freedom and our pleasure. Nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to.
Hey, you, don't you think it's kinda cute that I right inside your arms tonight, that I'm fine, even after I have died.
行くな、小田作。
I feel it coming down, she said, in my heart and in my head. Tell me why this has to end. Oh no, oh no. I can't save us. My Atlantis needs from.
That's the thing about friends, isn't it? The more you love them, the more it hurts when they go. Allow me to demonstrate.
Evil had spread like a fever ahead. It was night when you died, my firefly.
And make a deal with God, and I get him to swap the leases. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. It's you and me, and if only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I get him to swap the leases. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building.
I just wanted to say, I just got you a boyfriend.
I don't want a boyfriend. I'm not gay!
Yes, you are, and
I don't want a
totally
boyfriend!
Been working all weekend, I'm tired and I don't want to sleep. I want to have fun, it's time for a good time. Shot of tequila, beer on tap, sweet southern woman sit on.
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's
pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help, 'cause I think I've fallen in love.